Okay, that's the bridge behind me. But well, if you try to grab a taxi from here, well, that's going to be difficult because your best option is public transport. If you try to board a taxi, you won't get any taxi from here. That's the problem. So yeah, best option is always the best bus. So let's go. So we will take walk up until Lower Parel, I guess, and yeah, just see. Usually this part of the city is dotted by, that's it, old structures. You can see. For, let's say, last 100 years. Okay, so look at that. And you'll always find some place where you can have breakfast. Like this. Name of the road, Senapati Bapat, SB Road. If we keep walking straight ahead, that's your Elphinstone Road, straight up until Lower Parel. So this is like in the afternoon and we are going towards the Elphinstone Road. So yeah, this is the road. Now if you keep following this road straight up ahead, you will reach the Phoenix Mall in Lower Parel, and straight ahead after that this is like junction which will take you to Nehru Planetarium, and if you take a left from there it will be towards Mahalakshmi station. So yeah. The part that you see is business area of Lower Parel and Prabhadevi. So you'll find most of the offices from the finance sector located in Prabhadevi. So that's over here. Just look at that. Awesome. Now if you visit this part of the city during the afternoon, so let's say between 12:30 and 2, somewhere in between that time frame, so you can find something to eat on the opposite side of the road, that's over there. Okay, so because there are like a lot of offices in this on this side of the road, so you know, specifically you will get to eat on that side. I'll try to show you. Let's go. So you see that's what I was talking about. The lane where you will get to eat the food. It's specifically between the lunch hour. It's light pocket and yeah, quality is good. So yes, you can definitely have a meal. Those are the chawls. So like I said, those are the stalls. You can see there are stalls as well. So people from, you won't believe it, but corporate offices even order from here, these places. It's like really cheap. So you know, I think I should cross the road. Look at that.